Hi, I'm Vincent Igno.
Hi, I'm Jay Pancho, and we just celebrated our first year together noong July 14, 2024.
We met through social media. So parang yun yung mga dating app kind of thing. And yeah, dun kami nag-connect.
Actually, we scheduled it, pero na-cancel siya because of his friend. And then, nung nireschedule namin siya, ayun, di niya na ako pinakawalan after.
Wow. Salamat na nakilala kita kasi ngayon, hindi na ako nag-iisa. Because basically, first boyfriend ko siya. So, for 33 years of existence, I can finally say that I have a partner right now.
Salamat nakilala kita kasi mas nakilala ko din yung sarili ko. And I can say na sa lahat ng mga challenges na haharapin ko, I have you and we have each other.
Hindi na muli ako lalaban mag-isa dahil alam kong kasama kita and ikaw yung pinadala ni Lord na makasama ko as my life partner. So with that said, I'm more confident and I have this strength physically nakasama kita and spiritually that we have God with us.
Hirap sundan nun. Actually, it's kind of the same. Like what I've said kanina, may mga challenges na hindi ko naharapin mag-isa. Like, I have you not just a partner, but I can say that you're one of my best confidant currently. Brother, best friend, boyfriend, partner, and ayun, hopefully, magtagal. And yan, we can be together forever.
Habang buhay, pangako na I will cherish everything that we've been through since day one that nagkilala tayo. So, hanggang kung kailan man tayo abutin, I'll make sure na lahat ng lessons na natutunan natin with each other and yung mga na-cherish natin na mga experience, dadalhin natin yon kung saan man and we will forever be grateful of that relationship and our relationship na mangyayari pa sa future.
Ayun, I think forever that I will cherish not just the good times but the bad times na we experience. And both of us know naman na our relationship is anything but perfect, 'di ba? It's the normal na nag-aaway, normal na masaya tayo, may mga instances na hindi tayo nagkakasundo, but ayun, forever na, or I would say na I promise na we'll fix everything together. We'll get through things together.
Right. Usually, I always say na I love you, my dom. So that's my endearment of how I call him, my dom, my hub. So yeah, I love you.
Mahilig kasi siya sa K-pop. So, sarangayo.
Salamat na kilala